Reaching out to me, to your tomorrow. Some roots.
Zion roots, Zion roots, Zion roots. We walk the road with Jah by my side. In the darkness, me never hide. Me feel the light, me feel the flame. Me walk in truth, me walk no shame. The world a turn, the world a spin, but me heart a pure, me soul within. Me rise up strong, me rise up tall. Me hear the call, me answer the call. Me no follow the crowd, me no follow the trend. Me follow Jah's path, me walk to the end. In every step, me feel the power. Me walk with Jah in the final hour. Jah's guiding light, me walk in the glow. Me follow the way, me need to know. Me rise up strong, me rise so bright. Me walk in the truth, me walk in the light. Me no fear the struggles, me no fear the fight. Me face the battles, me stand for the right. Me no bow down, me no fall in line. Me rise in Jah's love, me soul divine. The road me travel, me walk in faith. Me trust Jah, me trust the grace. Me heart a pure, me spirit true. Me walk in the light, me walk for the few. The fire a burning, me soul so bright. Me rise up high, me shine like the light. Me face the storm, me face the rain, but me never lost, me feel no pain. Just guiding light, me walk in the glow. Me follow the way, me need to know. Me rise up strong, me rise so bright. Me walk in the truth, me walk in the light. Me rise from the struggle, me rise from the fall. Me stand in Jah's power, me stand tall. Me hear the voice, me hear the sound. Me rise in love, me rise from the ground. Jah a guide me every step. Me walk in his path, me never forget. Me feel the strength, me feel the call. Me walk with Jah, me stand tall. Me rise in peace, me rise in love. Me rise in Jah's grace from above. Me walk in truth, me walk in light. Me rise in glory, me rise in sight. Just guiding light, me walk in the glow. Me follow the way, me need to know. Me rise up strong, me rise so bright. Me walk in the truth, me walk in the light. Me walk in Jah's light, me walk in the flame. Me rise in truth, me rise in his name. With Jah by my side, me never stray. Me walk in Jah's light, me lead the way. Jah's guiding light, me walk in the glow. Me follow the way. Zion roots. Me walk with courage, me walk with might. Me see the truth with me eyes so bright. Me rise like a lion, me never afraid. Me stand for Jah, me stand for the trade. Me see the world through me warrior's eye. Me rise from the struggles, me reach for the sky. Me no fear the dark, me no fear the fight. Me see through the lies, me walk in the light. Me rise up strong, me rise up tall. Me rise for the ones who can't stand at all. Me see the struggles, me see the pain, but me rise again, me rise through the rain. Eyes of the warrior, me see the truth. Me rise for the old, me rise for the youth. With me eyes so open, me see the way. Me eyes of the warrior, me rise every day. Me fight for the ones who can't find the path. Me fight for the souls who face Jah's wrath. rise with Jah, me rise so strong. Me walk with me heart, me walk with me soul. Me eyes of the warrior, me see the goal. Through the trials, me fight for the just. Me walk in the truth, me never lose trust. Me eyes open wide, me never blind. Me fight for the righteous, me fight for the kind. Eyes of the warrior, me see the truth. Me rise for the old, me rise for the youth. With me eyes so open, me see the way. Me eyes of the warrior, me rise every day. Me rise from the depths, me rise from the pain. Me see the strength in the joy and the strain. Me see the fire, me see the light. Me rise in the dark, me rise in the night. Me fight for the ones who lost the fight. Me rise up strong with Jah's light. Me eyes of the warrior, me see the day. Me rise for the truth, me rise for the way. Me never back down, me never lose sight. Me fight for the truth, me fight for the right. Me eyes of the warrior, me see the world clear. Me rise with Jah, me have no fear. Eyes of the warrior, me see the truth. Me rise for the old, me rise for the youth. Me rise up, me stand tall. The fire ablaze, it can't fall. Jah roots run deep in me soul. Me a warrior, me reach me goal. Me chant the truth, me chant the light. Fighting the struggle, me stay in the fight. Roots of fire are burning me chest. Jah teachings guide me, me know the best. Me no look for the easy way out. Me face the trials, me scream and shout. But me know me mission, me know me way. Me guide the people, me show them the way. Me rise like the sun, me rise up each day. With Jah by me side, me walk the right way. Roots of fire deep in me heart. Me stand firm, me play me part. Roots of fire, the blaze are true. Me walk the path, Jah lead me through. No fear, no shame, me not turn back. Roots of fire, me on the right track. Me rise up strong, me no look back. Me follow Jah's light, me stay on track. Roots of fire, me soul so pure. Me walk the road, me sure me endure. Me feel the power, me feel the strength. Me go the distance, me go the length. Them try fi block me, them try fi chain. But me rise up again, me feel no pain. Me see the light, me feel the heat. Roots of fire burn beneath me feet. Me rise in glory, me stand in truth. Me walk the journey for the inner youth. Me fight the system, me fight for the oppressed. Me stand for the poor, me stand for the blessed. The fire I burn it, no need no wick. Roots of fire, it's strong and quick. Me rise above the darkness and the lies. Me hold me head up to the clear blue skies. Me no look back, me no have no regrets. Roots of fire, me walk with no debts. Roots of fire, the blaze are true. Me walk the path, Jah lead me through. No fear, no shame, me not turn back. Roots of fire, me on the right track. Me rise up strong, me no look back. Me follow Jah's light, me stay on track. Roots of fire, me soul so pure. Me walk the road, me sure me endure. Me rise through the storm, me rise through the rain. Me chant the rhythm to ease the pain. Roots of fire, I keep me warm. Me feel the strength, me rise from the norm. Me hear the people cry out for help. Me rise up strong, me know for help. Jah give me the strength, Jah give me the guide. Roots of fire, me can't. We rise from the depths, me warriors of light. Me fight for the truth, me fight for the right. The road is long, the battle is fierce, but me heart is strong. Me soul a pierce through the dark, through the pain. Me rise again, me rise through the rain. Me heart full of power, me spirit full of fire. Me rise from the ashes, me climb the higher. Me fight for the voiceless, me fight for the weak. Me rise for the ones who can't even speak. Me stand for the righteous, me stand for the free. Me fight for the ones who need liberty. Warriors of light, me rise so bold. In the truth me stand, me never fold. We rise from the darkness, we rise from the night. Me warriors of light, me rise in the fight. The battle is hard, the struggle unreal, but me no back down, me no kneel. Me fight with the power, me fight with the might. Me rise in the day, me rise in the night. Me fight for the children, me fight for the poor. Me fight for the ones who can't take no more. The darkness a come, the evil a creep, but me rise with Jah, me rise so deep. Me fight for justice, me fight for the right. Me warriors of light, me warriors of fight. Me rise through the chaos, me rise through the hate. Me warriors of light, me warriors of faith. Warriors of light, me rise so bold. In the truth me stand, me never fold. We rise from the darkness, we rise from the night. Me warriors of light, me rise in the fight. The wicked that try fi break the soul, but me rise above, me rise so whole. Me fight for the ones who can't fight back. Me rise on the front lines, me never lack. Me rise for the truth, me rise for the love. Me rise with Jah, me rise above. Through the trials, me face the test. Me rise in Jah's name, me stand for the best. Me no fear the battle, me no fear the war. Me rise in Jah's strength, me rise from the core. Me fight for the people, me fight for the right. Me warriors of light, me warriors of fight. Warriors of light, me rise so bold. In the truth me stand, me never fold. We rise from the darkness, we rise from the night. Me warriors of light, me rise in the fight. Zion roots. Oh oh, oh oh. Me come from the roots, me come from the soil. Me rise like a seed, me rise from the tile. Me rise from the struggle, me rise from the pain. Me stand for the truth, me no go down in vain. Me come from the land where the people unite. Me rise for the justice, me rise for the right. Me fight for the ones who can't speak for their own. Me roots are deep, me roots are strong. Me stand for the elders, me stand for the youth. Me fight for the knowledge, me fight for the truth. Roots of the revolution, me rise on the way. Me rise for the righteous, me rise every day. Roots of the revolution, me rise in the sun. Me fight for the people, me fight for the one. Roots of the revolution, me rise so high. Me stand for the truth, me never pass by. I fierce, the war still a rage, but me rise as a warrior, me rise from the stage. Me roots are the strength, me roots are the fire. Me rise feed the cause, me rise feed the higher. Me chant feed the ones who have lost the way. Me rise feed the future, me rise feed the day. Me fight feed the freedom, me fight feed the peace. Me roots in the revolution, me fight for the release. Me no fear the system, me no fear the chain. Me fight feed the people, me fight feed the gain. Me stand feed the ones who can't make a stand. Me roots of the revolution, me rise on the land. Roots of the revolution, me rise in the sun. Me fight feed the people, me fight feed the one. Roots roots of the revolution. Me rise so high, me stand for the truth, me never pass by. From the ashes, me rise from the fire. Me roots in the revolution, me rise higher and higher. Me fight for the truth, me fight for the love. Me rise with the power, me rise from above. The world are full of struggles, the world are full of pain. Me roots in the revolution will break every chain. Me rise for the justice, me rise for the peace. Me roots are the revolution, me fight for the release. Me walk with me brothers, me walk with me sisters. Me fight for the future, me fight for the listeners. Me roots of the revolution, me stand in the flame. Me rise for the truth, me rise for the name. Roots of the revolution, me rise in the Zion roots. Me hear the call, Jah's voice in the breeze. Me feel the power, me feel the peace. Me rise in the morning, me rise in the night. Me hear Jah's calling, me stand for the right. Through the struggles, me rise so bold. Me stand for the truth, me stand for the old. Me hear the whisper in the winds of the air. Jah calling me, Jah calling me near. Me rise for the voiceless, me rise for the lost. Me rise for the ones who pay the cost. Me stand for the children, me fight for the weak. Me rise in Jah's name, me rise to speak. Rise up, Jah's calling, rise up today. Me rise for the righteous, me rise for the way. Jah's calling me rise in the light. Me rise up strong, me rise for the right. Me see the injustice, me see the fight. Me hear Jah's voice, me walk in the light. Me rise for the truth, me rise for the love. Me rise for the ones who cry to the above. Me hear the children, me hear the cries. Me rise for the souls who feel the lies. Me stand in the fire, me stand in the rain. Me rise in Jah's power, me rise through the pain. Me rise from the struggle, me rise from the dust. Me rise in the power, me rise in the trust. Me fight for the ones who need the release. Me rise for the truth, me rise for the peace. Rise up, Jah's calling, rise up today. Me rise for the righteous, me rise for the way. Jah's calling me rise in the light. Me rise up strong, me rise for the right. Me hear the call for the ones who gone. Me rise in Jah's strength, me rise till the dawn. Me rise for the future, me rise for the land. Me rise for the people, me rise for the stand. Me hear the voices that cry in the night, but me rise with Jah, me rise in the fight. Me rise for the ones who face the strife. Me rise for the future, me rise for the life. Me rise for the love, me rise for the faith. Me rise for the ones who can't catch a break. Jah's calling me rise so true. Me rise in Jah's name, me rise for the new. Rise up, Jah's calling, rise up today. Me rise for the righteous, me rise for the way. Jah's calling me rise in the light. Me rise up strong, me rise for the right. Rise up today. Rise up today. Zion roots. Yes, yeah. Me born for the struggle, me born for the fight. Me rise in the dark, me shine in the light. My heart a lion, my spirit a true. Me fight for the weak, me fight for the crew. In every battle, me stand firm. Me never give up, me never squirm. Me heart full full of courage, my soul full of fire. Me walk with Jah, me never tire. Me rise like the lion, me rise like the sun. My heart pure and true, me no need to run. Me face every challenge, me face every trial. With Jah by my side, me never go vile. Lion's heart, Jah's might me stand tall. Me fight for the truth, me fight for the call. Me rise like the lion, me rise in the light. With Jah in my heart, me full of the might. Me chant for the people, me chant for the poor. Me rise for the ones who can't fight no more. Me fight for the righteous, me fight for the good. Me rise for the ones who misunderstood. Me stand for the truth, me stand for the just. Me walk with the power, me walk with the trust. Me no fear the evil, me no fear the sin. Me stand strong in the name of Jah within. In the face of adversity, me rise and stand. Me fight for the land, me fight for the sand. Me heart full of power, me soul full of grace. Me lion's heart, me walk in Jah place. Lion's heart, Jah's might me stand tall. Me fight for the truth, me fight for the call. Me rise like the lion, me rise in the light. With Jah in me heart, me full of the might. Me face the pressure, me face the stress. But me rise in Jah's love, me feel the bless. The lion's roar, me feel it inside. Me stand strong with Jah, me cannot hide. Me walk through the fire, me walk through the flame. Me rise above the struggle, me rise in Jah's name. Me fight for the voiceless, me fight for the weak. Me rise up for the ones who cannot speak. The world a turn, the wicked a fight. But me rise with Jah, me rise in the light. Me heart a lion, me soul full of grace. Me rise in Jah's name, me run the race. Lion's heart, Jah's might me stand tall. Me fight for the truth, me fight for the call. Me rise like the lion, me rise in the light. With Jah in me heart, me full of the might. Me rise up strong, me rise in the light. With Jah in me heart, me ready for the fight. Me lion's heart, me spirit are true. Me rise in Jah's name, me fight for the crew. The roots run deep, me feel it in my soul. Me know the truth, me know me role. In the struggle, me stand tall. Me rise from the fall, me answer the call. Me live for Jah, me live for the light. Me fight for the truth, me fight for the right. Me walk the path that Jah show. Me roots of redemption, me roots me know. Me no follow the wicked, me no follow the lies. Me follow the truth that never dies. Me chant for the people, me chant for the weak. Me fight for the ones who cannot speak. Roots of redemption, me rise up strong. In the truth me stand, me never go wrong. Me rise from the ashes, me rise from the pain. Me roots of redemption, me rise again. Me rise up from the depths of the night. Me face the struggles, me find the light. The road me travel, me know the way. With Jah by my side, me walk every day. Me chant for the youth, me chant for the poor. Me chant for the ones who can't take no more. Me roots run deep, me roots are true. Me stand for the ones who never knew. Me fight for the justice, me fight for the truth. Me rise for the elders, me rise for the youth. Me rise for the people, me rise for the soul. Me roots of redemption, me rise these old. Roots of redemption, me rise up strong. In the truth me stand, me never go wrong. Me rise from the ashes, me rise from the pain. Me roots of redemption, me rise again. The struggles me face, the trials me meet. Me rise with the strength of the lion's feet. Me rise for the ones who never get chance. Me rise for the people in the dance. Me roots in the earth, me roots in the sky. Me rise up strong, me never ask why. Me follow the path that Jah set. Me roots of redemption, me never forget. Me rise with the power of the lion's roar. Me rise rise for the poor, me rise for the sore. The truth me carry it strong. Me roots of redemption, me sing the song. Roots of redemption, me rise up strong. In the truth me stand, me never go wrong. Me rise from the ashes, me rise from the pain. Me roots of redemption, me rise again. Me roots of redemption, me rise with pride. Me stand tall, with Jah by my side. Me walk in the truth, me rise every day. Me roots of redemption, me lead the way. Zion roads. Me wake up early, me feel the sun. The battle fierce, but me nah run. Me chant for freedom, me chant for peace. Me fight for the truth, me never cease. The road a long, but me a strong. Me hear the call, me come along. Jah Jah guide me steps each day. Me rise up in the light of His way. Me never bow down to the wicked system. Me fight for the people, me fight for wisdom. In the dark, me find me spark. Me rise up from the depths of the dark. On the rise, me stand tall. Me hear the call, me will not fall. Me rise to the top, me rise to the sky. Me reach the heights, me fly high. Me rise up in the morning light. Me feel the strength, me feel the might. The road me travel, me know the way. With Jah by me side, me go all day. Me no look back, me no look down. Me rise up strong, me stand in the crown. The path me walk with pride. Me stand firm, me no need to hide. Me fight for the voiceless, me fight for the weak. Me rise for the truth, me rise for the meek. Me chant for justice, me chant for the poor. Me fight for the ones who can't fight no more. On the rise, me stand tall. Me hear the call, me will not fall. Me rise to the top, me rise to the sky. Me reach the heights, me fly high. Me feel the power of the lion's roar. Me rise for the poor, me rise for the sore. Me fight for the ones that Jah has chosen. Me rise up strong, me heart never frozen. The battles we face, the hardships we see. Me rise for the future, me rise for the free. The road me walk with fire. Me rise in the name of Jah's desire. On the rise, me stand tall. Me hear the call, me will not fall. Me rise to the top, me rise to the sky. Me reach the heights, me fly high. Me rise with Jah, me rise in the night. Me rise in the morning, me rise in the light. On the rise, me stand strong and true. Me rise in Jah's love, me rise for the few. Zion roots, yeah, yeah, Zion roots, yeah. We rise from the depths, me warriors of light. Me fight for the truth, me fight for the right. The road is long, the battle is fierce, but me heart is strong, me soul a pierce. through the dark, through the pain, me rise again. Me rise through the rain, me heart full of power, me spirit full of fire. Me rise from the ashes, me climb the higher. Me fight for the voiceless, me fight for the weak. Me rise for the ones who can't even speak. Me stand for the righteous, me stand for the free. Me fight for the ones who need liberty. Oh, oh. Warriors of light, me rise so bold. In the truth me stand, me never fold. We rise from the darkness, we rise from the night. Me warriors of light, me rise in the fight. The battle is hard, the struggle real, but me no back down, me no kneel. Me fight with the power, me fight with the might. Me rise in the day, me rise in the night. Me fight for the children, me fight for the poor. Me fight for the ones who can't take no more. The darkness a come, the evil a creep, but me rise with Jah, me rise so deep. Me fight for justice, me fight for the right. Me warriors of light, me warriors of fight. Me rise through the chaos, me rise through the hate. Me warriors of light, me warriors of faith. Warriors of light, me rise so bold. In the truth me stand, me never fold. We rise from the darkness, we rise from the night. The warriors of light, me rise in the fight. Yeah, yeah. Oh why, oh why? The wicked a try, fi break the soul, but me rise above, me rise so whole. Me fight for the ones who can't fight back. Me rise on the front lines, me never lack. Me rise for the truth, me rise for the love. Me rise with Jah, me rise above. Through the trials, me face the test. Me rise in Jah's name, me stand for the best. Me no fear the battle, me no fear the war. Me rise in Jah's strength, me rise from the core. Me fight for the people, me fight for the right. Me warriors of light, me warriors of fight. Warriors of light, me rise so bold. In the truth me stand, me never fold. We rise from the darkness, we rise from the night. Me warriors of light, me rise in the fight. Me warriors of light, me rise and shine. Me rise with Jah, me spirit divine. Me fight in the battle, me rise with might. Me warriors of light, me rise to the height. Yeah, yeah.
Zion roots. The lions roar and shake the ground. It call the rebels, it make the sound. Through the jungle, the heart resound. Lions roar, it knows no bound. We rise in the night, we break the chains. The roar of the lion, it break the pains. Through the darkness, we rise again. Lions roar, Jah never in vain. The rebels them strong, we not afraid. In the fight, the lions head. We tear down the walls, the vision made. Lions roar, the future laid. The rebels unite, the sound it rise. With the strength of the lion, we reach the skies. We fight for the truth, no compromise. The lions roar, it make we wise. In the streets, we stand the ground. Through the struggle, the roar a pound. We push forward, we make no sound. Lions roar, we rise unbound. From the heart of the city to the mountains peak, we fight the system, we make the weak strong. Lions roar, the power we seek. In the struggle, we rise all along. Oh Jah, the roar, a fierce and bold. It lead the youth to the truth untold. Through the fire, through the cold. Lions roar, the story unfold. Lions roar, rebel sound. Through the earth, it shake the ground. In Jah's name, we stand unbound. Lions roar, we rise profound. make the king. In Jah's glory, we hear the ring. Through the battle, we face the sting. Lions roar, we rise and sing. From the ghetto to the palace door, the lions roar, it make we soar. In our struggle, we want no more. Lions roar, we rise to adore. Through the darkness, they roar a call. We rise together, we stand tall. Lions roar, just strength in all. Through the fight, we answer the call. Oh Jah, the roar, it set we free. Through the storm, the light we see. Lions roar, eternally. In Jah's love, we always be. Lions roar, rebel sound. Through the struggle, we stand unbound. With the heart of the sky of tomorrow, it rise up so clear. It make we see the path, we have no fear. Jah light a shine, it make the way near. Through the struggles, we never disappear. We look to the heavens, we see the stars. They call we name from afar. Jah fire burn, it make we scared. But through the pain, we heal from the jar. The clouds them thick, but we not turn away. We trust in Jah, the night make way. Tomorrow come, we see the light of day. Sky of tomorrow, we pave the way. Tomorrow's promise are the sun and the rain. It wash away the sorrow, heal the pain. We rise like the birds, no longer chained. The sky of tomorrow, we free from the strain. Through the clouds of doubt, just show the way. We walk in the light, the brand new day. The dreams we dream, them never stray. Just vision for tomorrow, we live it today. The road long and winding, but we stay strong. Every step we take, we sing the song. The sun arise, it won't be long. Sky of tomorrow, where we belong. Oh Jah, we see the sun arise. The vision of the future, it make we wise. Sky of tomorrow, it fill the skies. We walk the road of truth, no lies. Sky of tomorrow are the hope we hold. In Jah name, we grow bold. Through the winds and the cold. Sky of tomorrow, a new story told. We walk the path, the journey long, but we keep the faith. We sing the song, we rise from the past. We never wrong. Sky of tomorrow, we feel so strong. From the ghetto to the highest peak, we know the future, we never weak. Just guidance and the light we seek. Sky of tomorrow, the vision unique. We see the world a change, a shift in time. The sun arise, we reach the climb. With the power of Jah, the future divine. Sky of tomorrow, we touch the line. Oh Jah, the sky it make we fly. We reach the heights, we touch the sky. Through the pain, we never ask why. Sky of tomorrow, we rise so high. Through the storm and the rain, we stay grounded, but we trust in Jah. The dreams the pulse of the earth, it beats so strong. It a guide the people who are move along. Through the jungle, the city, the mountain song. The pulse of the earth, it can go wrong. We feel the rhythm in the soil below. The heartbeat of nature, the wind a blow. Jah talk, it whisper the truth. He teach the elders and the youths. The pulse of the earth, it showed the proof. The strength of nature, it bulletproof. From the rivers to the valleys deep, the pulse of the earth, it never sleep. We listen close, we see and read. Jazz melody, we no go cheap. We see the trees, them stand so tall. Through the seasons, them never fall. Pulse of the earth, we hear the call. In a jazz light, we stand for all. Oh Jah, the pulse, it keep us grounded. In a the rhythm, we forever surrounded. From the mountains to the valleys, we found it. Pulse of the earth, where life is founded. Oh, Jah, the pulse, it keep us grounded. In a the rhythm, we forever surrounded. From the mountains to the valleys, we found it. Pulse of the earth, where life is founded. Pulse of the earth, it moves so sweet. In the rhythm of Jah, we stand on our feet. Through the trials, we find the beat. Pulse of the earth, it make us complete. The earth a whisper, the trees they bend. A message of love, the spirit.
Zion Road, Zion Road. The sun arise on Babylon town. A new day dawn in the walls tumble down. The light of Jah make the wicked frown, but for the righteous are the holy crown. The shadows retreat, the truth reveal. Jah love are the fire where heal we steal. Through the struggles we spirit feel. Sunrise over Babylon, Jah make it real. For the youth we cry in the dead of night. Jah bring the dawn, Jah bring the light. The sunrise chase away the fright. Jah wisdom guide me to the right. The streets of Babylon can't hold we back. The chains them break, we no lose track. The power of love, it attack the lack. Sunrise ablaze, the darkness crack. Oh Jah, the light shine bright and true. It guide the youth to a life brand new. Sunrise over Babylon, we see the clue. Jah blessings flow, it a breakthrough. Sunrise over Babylon, the chains them break. For the youth we suffer, Jah blessing wait. The power of love, it can't forsake. Sunrise over Babylon, Jah kingdom take. For the ghetto youth, the sun a sign. A new beginning where Jah design. The light a shine pon the borderline. Sunrise over Babylon, divine. The wicked them scattered, them can't stand. When Jah light a shine pon the holy land, we trod the path where Jah command. Sunrise over Babylon, Jah make we grand. Oh Jah, the sunrise make we strong. It burn the wrong and uplift the song. Sunrise over Babylon, it not prolong. Jah light a guide we all along. Sunrise over Babylon, eternal flame. It wipe away the sorrow and shame. With Jah love, the world proclaim. Sunrise over Babylon, Jah holy name.
The roots of the revolution, it deep in the ground from the soil of the earth. The voices are resound. Through the struggle, we stand our ground. Roots of the revolution, we break the bounds. We rise up, we make the sound. From the streets to the hills, all around. Jah's wisdom, it make us found. Roots of the revolution, where truth abound. The earth a shake, the roots a churn. We stand firm, knowing no return. Roots of the revolution, we take our turn. Through the fire, the world a burn. The revolution a build, brick by brick. We stand together, Jah make it stick. The roots of the fight, it make the trick. Roots of the revolution, no time for quick. Through the tears, through the pain, we rise like a storm, the future unchained. The power of Jah no longer wane. Roots of the revolution, for truth remain. We know the struggle, we face the test, but in the fire, we rise the best. Roots of the revolution, we rise, we bless. In Jah's name, we break the stress. Oh Jah, the roots are grow so tall. We rise together, no fear at all. Roots of the revolution, we hear the call. We march as one, we stand tall. Roots of the revolution, fire in the flame. We rise together, we break the chain. The power of Jah, we call his name. Roots of the revolution, eternal claim. From the earth to the sky, the revolution soar. We rise as one, together we roar. Roots of the revolution, we open the door. We take the fight, for peace at the core. Through the struggle, the battle, the pain. Roots of the revolution, we break the chain. With Jah's guidance, we rise again. Roots of the revolution, the victory we gain. In the hearts of the youths, the fire ignite. Roots of the revolution, the future bright. We stand as one, we fight the fight. In Jah's power, we rise to flight. Oh Jah, the roots, they hold the key. Through the struggle, we set us free. Roots of the revolution, together we be. In the power of Jah, we rise eternally. Roots of the revolution, we never fall. Through the rise, we answer the call. With the strength of Jah, we stand tall. Roots of the revolution, we conquer all. Zion roots. Jah blessing flow, it never run dry. It a fill the soul, make we touch the sky. Through the struggles, we never ask why. Jah blessing flow, it take we high. The gift of love, it fill the air. Jah blessing flow, it make me care. Through the storm, the sun a share. Jah blessing flow, it always fair. The river of blessing, it cleanse the heart. Jah love at the start, it never part. Through the valleys low, the blessings chart. Jah blessing flow, a work of art. We give thanks, feed the blessings alive. Jah make the joy, cut through the strife. Through the pain, we free from the knife. Jah blessing flow, it end the right. Oh Jah, the blessings they shower down. From the hills of Zion to the city town. Jah blessing flow, it wear the crown. Jah mercy are the sweetest sound. Jah blessing flow, a river of light. It shines so bright, it cure the night. Through the buckles we hold the might. Jah blessing flow, it pure the light. them rise above. The power of Jah are the only love. We walk the path of the stars above. Jah blessing flow, it fit like a glove. Jah bless the heart, Jah bless the soul. It fill with joy, it make we whole. Jah blessing flow, it reach the goal. We follow Jah, Jah make we whole. Oh Jah, the blessing make we strong. It guide the path, it right the wrong. Jah blessing flow, the sweetest song. We sing it loud, we sing along. Jah blessing flow, it never stop. It reach the mountain, it reach the top. Through the storm, we never flop. Jah blessing flow, it make we rock. Rasta man so hard. Yeah man. The heart of the ghetto is strong and bold. Through the struggles we never fold. In the darkness the truth unfold. The heart of the ghetto, a story untold. The youth them rise for the better life. Jah make the heart cut through the strife. In the ghetto, no time for knife. We fight for peace, Jah guide we wife. The rhythm of the ghetto, the heartbeat of the land. The people rise together, make this stand. Through the trials, we take the hand. The heart of the ghetto, Jah's command. From the street corner to the inner city, we hold the faith, the vibe so gritty. Jah make the ghetto a thing of beauty. Heart of the ghetto, the roots so pretty. Oh Jah, the heart of the people strong. We carry the torch, we sing this song. Heart of the ghetto, the right feel long. We rise to the top, Jah make we belong. Heart of the ghetto, it blaze like fire. We rise above, we take the higher. Through the pain, we never tire. Heart of the ghetto, we never expire. Yeah man. The children of the ghetto, them dream of the stars. The power of Jah will carry them far. We rise like the moon, a bright shining star. Heart of the ghetto, a true memoir. Through the hard times, Jah make we strive. In the heart of the ghetto, we feel alive. We chant the praises, Jah make we thrive. Heart of the ghetto, we survive. Oh Jah, the heart of the people guide. Through the darkness, the love can't hide. Heart of the ghetto, the fire inside. Jah make the road, we no need to slide. Heart of the ghetto, it a rise so high. Jah make the heart never shy. We chant the praises, the blessings fly. Heart of the ghetto, we reach echoes of freedom. Zion our roots. The echoes of freedom I carry we way through the valleys dark to the break of day. Every chant I pray I feel Jah stay. We walk on the path where him light the way. The voices of ancestors whisper still. Them teach we strength, we climb the hill. The echoes them call, Jah love fulfill. The power of freedom a guide we will. The mountains rise like the warrior's dream. The rivers flow like a peaceful stream. We chant for the youth where Jah redeem. We live the love where Babylon deem. The echoes of history tell we tale. How the people rise though system fail. With Jah guidance we set the sail. The echoes of freedom can't derail. Oh Jah, the echoes them reach me heart. Them make me strong, them set me apart. This song of freedom, the righteous art. We chant it loud, Jah take the part. Echoes of freedom, them rise and soar. For the people we fight for, open the door. The rhythm of love, it heal the soul. Echoes of freedom forevermore. Echoes them rise like a mighty wave. The every soul where Jah spirit save. The melody of freedom make we brave. We walk on the path where Jah paved. Through the fire and storm we hold it firm. The wisdom of Jah we continue to learn. The echoes of love them light we turn. The blessings of Zion we confirm. Oh Jah, the echoes them make me see. The love of Zion will set me free. The power of the waters be eternity. Echoes of freedom we chant thee. Echoes of freedom a sound divine. Them carry we soul to Jah holy shrine. With the power of love Jah design. Echoes of freedom the world align. Echoes of freedom. 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 The fire in me heart, it a blaze so bright. It burn the darkness, it shine the light. The passion of Jah, it a guide me sight. Me stand for the truth, we hold the right. The flames of love, it a make me strong. Inna the fire, me spirit belong. Through the struggles, me rise above. Fire in me heart, me carry Jah love. The fire it burn like eternal flame. Me walk the road of Jah holy name. Inna the blaze, me feel no shame. For the one who make we rise again. The fire inna me chest, I ignite the way. It like the road each and every day. The power of love, me no go stray. Fire in me heart, me guide the lane. Oh Jah, the fire a blaze inside. It make we strong, it make we glide. Through the battle, we never hide. Fire in the heart, we make we stride. Fire in the heart, it a rise so high. It make we reach the heavens, touch the sky. The flames of Jah, the world a fly. Fire in the heart, we no can deny. The blaze it a burn in the soul of the youth. Me feel Jah power, me rise no doubt. The fire in me heart, it a make me shout. We free from the chains, we scream it out. We carry the light through the storm and rain. Through the
the hardships, me feel no pain. The fire in me heart, we break the chain. Jah love are the fuel, me can't refrain. Oh Jah, me heart a burn with fire. It cleanse the soul, take away the tire. The rhythm of life, it take me higher. Fire in me heart, we never tire. Fire in the heart, the flames arise. We burn the lies, we seek the prize. The power of Jah, it never die. Fire in the heart, me reach the skies.
Zion roots. Whoa, yeah, yeah. We feel the rhythm of the ancestors dance. It a call the spirits fi take a chance. The beat of the drum, it a make we chance. We move in the rhythm, we take the stance. The elders them smile, they see the light. It shine like the stars, the purest white. In at the dance, we feel the might. Dance of the ancestors, take flight. We follow the steps of the ones before. Through the struggle, they open the door. The ancestor spirit, it make me roar. The dance of the past, it live once more. We chant the praises, the circle round. The rhythm of Jah make we profound. In the dance, the spirit found. Dance of the ancestors, we unbound. Oh Jah, the rhythm of we soul. We dance in the circle, we make it whole. Jah lead the way, Jah take the toll. Dance of the ancestors, the rhythm roll. Dance of the ancestors, the beat so true. We move to the rhythm, we break the glue. Through the ages, Jah make we new. Dance of the ancestors, be me and you. In the fire like the circle grows. The rhythm of the drum, it never slows. We move through the night as the spirit flows. Dance of the ancestors, the power shows. From the past to the future, we chant the sound. Through the dance, we rise so strong. We carry the legacy all along. Dance of the ancestors, it never wrong. Oh Jah, the dancer bring the peace. It make the struggles and pain cease. Dance of the ancestors, the love increase. We move as one, we find the release. Dance of the ancestors, the rhythm guide. Through the night, Jah make we stride. We chant the praises, no place to hide. Dance of the ancestors, we stand with pride. From the past to the future, we move as one. In the dance of Jah, the battle's won. The ancestors' rhythm, the journey's begun. Dance of the ancestors, together we strong.